Kenya's vaccine rollout program has been thrown into confusion after Dr. Massimo Gangi, the Chief Administrative Secretary in the Ministry of Health, informed the country that they will have to wait a little bit longer to get the second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine.
Right now, members of COVAX are in discussions to see. I'm sure you've seen in the media that there's been a breakthrough in some areas and there might be some 60 million doses coming. We still do not know if those 60 million doses will come to Africa or if they'll go to other countries. However, I can tell you every day, in and out, we're in discussions with COVAX to ensure that we get our doses here at least within that 12-week period.
Over 800,000 people have already received the first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine. However, the government has reiterated that the vaccine can be administered even after 8 weeks. Among those vaccinated include 152,467 health workers and 38% of teachers. Amid the crisis, the Ministry of Health has urged more Kenyans to get vaccinated while the government continues to push for the vaccines.
That if you got your first dose as Astra, you still get your second dose at week 12 as Astra. So we are in discussions to ensure that this happens. Again, also, we are diversifying. In the beginning, we started with COVAX, but we are recognizing that there are challenges there, and so we are diversifying. Talking to Africa CDC, having bilateral arrangements with these pharmaceutical companies to be able to ensure at the end of the day, we spread our risk and that we can actually get enough doses for the population in the country.
So for Kenya, even if you look last week, we were the third best performing in terms of reaching per 100 population with vaccination, after Morocco and Botswana. So in terms of pace, in terms of efficiency, we are doing well.
The new development comes at a time where the country's COVID-19 cases continue to rise sharply, with Kenya recording 1,153 cases in the last 24 hours. Of these, 1,128 are Kenyans, while 25 are foreigners, with 705 being males and 448 being female. However, on a positive note, 191 patients recovered from the disease, with 109 being from the home-based care program, while 82 are from various health facilities. Unfortunately, 20 patients succumbed to the virus.
Kenya is probably number 7 in the whole world in terms of vaccination. I don't know if you all knew that. We're actually on the leaderboard of vaccination in the world.
Even as the rise of COVID-19 cases continue to be felt in Kenya and globally, over 900 Kenyans have been caught up in India's COVID-19 crisis. On Friday, Kenya's ambassador to India, Willie Bett, sounded an alarm to its citizens, requiring them to contact the embassy and submit their names as they appear on their passport number, their contacts, their physical address in India, and the purpose of their visit. The COVID-19 situation in India is spiraling out of control as the country posted the highest daily infections, with 332,730 new cases and 2,263 deaths. The situation has caused panic internationally, as the country is the main manufacturer of the AstraZeneca vaccine.